Hello, this is Ron Roberts, Realtor with Towerside Realty. We are at 10109 Lenox in Claremont, Florida. This is the exterior of the house. We're going to go and take a look inside to see the work that needs to be done. This right here was a garage that they enclosed for living space. And then there's additions made to the house, which brings this additional garage, garage back here. That was an addition to the house, which gives the second kitchen and additional bedrooms. All right, so take a walk inside and see what kind of work needs to be done. All right, here we go inside. And as the pictures show, all the baseboards have been removed. There's some cutouts of the drywall, which I was told is because of dogs that were living inside and made lots of damage, which I believe because I can still smell pet odor, dog smell itself, even though all the carpet is gone. The AC is not on, so house is closed up, but they do have the windows open at this time. So as you walk straight into the house, you have two bedrooms immediately to the right and the main bath. One room has laminate flooring installed, and then the bathroom is tile, which is not matching to the tile in the main living area. And you have a Formica countertop, and then tile to the ceiling for the bathtub shower. And then the other bedroom must have had carpet because it's removed, but they did not remove the baseboards out of this. And actually this room doesn't have that much of odor in it. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the house. Coming out of the two bedrooms into the main living area, it's all tile through here. That in itself looks like a little bit of moisture behind there, but the drywall is not looking like it's wet, and the boards down there don't really have too much, and a little bit of staining there. This used to be the exterior of the house, and we'll go out this door in just a moment, but this is where the extension was made to the house in itself. But as you enter to the house, the kitchen is over here. The main kitchen is granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets. Only appliance in the house at this time is a dishwasher. I'm not sure if that's working or not. And then over to this side, we have more drywall cut out. But as you can see, not too much wood damage. But this leaves the bath on the other side here. Let's go into the master. Going to the master bedroom. Oh, actually on the other side of that cutout drywall is actually a closet. And then the master bath is here. Same for micro countertops, tile, single toilet, single sink, and shower frame glass door. And then these double doors go outside to the garage that looks like it was added on. And we'll go outside in just a bit. Just so you see that these double doors just go to a concrete area. Those double doors go to the extended part of the house. And then the backyard. All right. So you would enter the garage door, main garage door through here to get to the cars. And then enter the house through this direction, probably through there, because those double doors go to the second living room. All right, coming out of the master bedroom, going where they enclosed the original garage. So this is a step down. And then your utility room is right here where the washer and dryer would be. And that door right there accesses the outside, faces the new garage. And then there's some more drywall that was cut out. And it looks like they were just pulling it apart, trying to see what damage might be back there. It doesn't look wet, but I definitely would want to have a moisture test done. This actually does look damp, but it doesn't feel wet, but it looks like it's water stained. So we'd have to find out more on if there was leaks from the window sills, which happens a lot, or where that got wet, but it does not feel wet at this time. So this carpet has been removed. What was in here? Looks like it was carpet at one time. It doesn't have as much odor in here as it does in the main house. All right, so this is the look from the kitchen into the main living room. They were mentioning that there's a small leak in the roof in the main living area, and only where I can kind of see that is right there, possibly, where there's a little bit of a water stain. I can't see anywhere else, but we'd have to find out more about where that leak might be. All right, let's take a look into the additional part made to the house. Okay, walking into the addition. So this is a living space here. Looks like they cut out some more drywall, and you can actually see where the exterior of the house was before they built this extension. All right, so it looks like they had their TV set up over here where that cable is connected. More cutout here. Doesn't look like any water damage in itself. Those are the double doors I mentioned that came from the garage, the additional garage. More cutout of drywall. A little bit of moisture on that board there that's closest to the door jamb. And then going further back, not as much. Once again, inspection time, get the moisture test done and mold test done. I don't smell it, but doesn't mean it's not here. I just want to, with this type of condition of the house, we want to make sure. All right, and then this is more cut out where the air handler inside air handler unit is. And I was told that these units are not functioning properly. All right, so let's take a look at where the kitchen is in the back of this room. So it's in the back of the house. So smaller size kitchen, separate entryway door. And then here, there is 2 additional bedrooms. 2 additional bedrooms, tile, closet, small closet. And then there's a bath, full bath here, actually shower, stand-up shower, toilet, single sink. And then you have your back bedroom, which is a little bit bigger size. And these are closet space here, which looks like they didn't order the right door size. You have a big gap there on that. So quite a bit of cosmetic work done needed to this property. Let's take a quick look at the backyard and the exterior of the house. All right, here we are coming out of the door of the back bedroom. And then there is an access point from the house. Those are the double doors to the second living room. That's the window to the second kitchen. So you can access backyard from the living room or from the master bedroom of the first part of the house. You can walk out this way. And then you have this pie-shaped backyard going extending outward. That is an elementary school in the backyard. And school is in session. So this is the right side of the house. So good space from the neighbors. And this yard does incline up a little bit. It's not too bad. Definitely pretty flat from this section here. Oh, look there. Glad we walked back here. Got missing shingles on this part of the house. Right there. They didn't mention that that was leaking there, but I'm quite sure it will be if it doesn't get fixed soon. I don't see any other missing shingles there. Definitely needs exterior painting. Shrubs need to be removed. This is the very back of the yard. See a little bit of an incline there. And walking along back of the house area. So this yard is not fenced, but you do have a neighbor's fence here. So you wouldn't need that side fence and a partial fence on that neighbor's side. Maybe you want to extend that up a little bit, but there is a chain link fence on the back part, but you could go ahead and put a privacy fence there so you wouldn't have any access of view from the school there. It's up on a hill, and students or teachers or faculty or anything wouldn't be able to see inside anyways. They're at the lower level of the hill. To give you an idea of the size of the backyard, I'm not even to the back corner yet. Still going back. Still going back. Still going back. Still going back. And I'm almost to the back, but there's a tree limbs stopping me getting to the very back. So good. Oh, look here. More shingles missing. So opposite side of what we saw before. So possibly need a re-roof for that section of the house, I would say, because you're not going to match those shingles. And you got a roof leak anyways. So insurance wise, you need a re-roof. All right, so let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like me to take additional video of a certain spot or photos. Happy to help.